Do you want to recover deleted Snapchat photos, video, and chat on iPhone? Hi there, this is Arthur, and here's how you can recover deleted Snapchat photos and videos on your iPhone. So let's get started. To recover deleted information, open Snapchat app, tap Profile, tap Settings, scroll down, tap My Data. Enter your email address or username. Tap your password. Scroll down. Now here's what you need to do for the important work. Now you need to select the date that you deleted the data from. If you can't remember the date and time, you select the month or year. Enable Include Memories. Enter your email address again to confirm it. Tap Submit Request. Now your information is ready to download. To get ready, this can take up to 24 hours to download. After that, you'll receive an email. So guys, that's how you can recover your deleted Snapchat photos and videos on your iPhone. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.